how you can add music to your Canva video. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos by app hacks. Now let's get started. First of all, what you'll need to do is add your video to your Canva. So simply you can drag and drop it, and then you can simply adjust the size. Now, after you've added your video, what you'll then want to do is head over to this left hand side. After you're there, you will see a lot of options. So under options, you can head over to elements. Now under elements, you'll find the music option. Tap on music. After you tap on it, you will see all of the audios here. Now you can go to the audio section too. After you're there, you will see there are a lot of videos which are paid and some of them which are free too. To find out the free videos, simply head over to audio and music free. After you do so, you should have few music videos which are free for you. So you can add those, and after you can add those, simply press on it. After you press on it, what you'll need to do is you'll need to drag this here to set it where you want it to be. You can add other videos too. As you can see, I've added the music here. Now, all you need to do to download this is tap on share. After you tap on share, simply press on download, and then your video will have music in it and you will be able to download it. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.